What if we told you that a creature once lost to the Ice Age has just taken its first breath? In the modern world? Yes, the giant white wolf, a predator that roamed alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats, has been successfully resurrected through cloning. And now, scientists are asking a question that sounds straight out of Jurassic Park. If we can bring back the Ice Age wolf, can we do the same for dinosaurs? Let's start with what just happened. Deep in a top-secret genetics lab in Siberia, a team of researchers used advanced cloning techniques to revive the genome of Canis dirus alba, Ice Age wolf species that went extinct nearly 10,000 years ago. Using preserved DNA from permafrost remains and a closely related modern wolf as a surrogate, the pupa was born in early 2025. It's not just a scientific marvel, it's a biological revolution. The creature is massive, with white fur, piercing blue eyes, and an instinctive howl that hasn't echoed on Earth in millennia. And it's alive, breathing, growing. But this success opens the door to an even bigger, more controversial idea: de-extinction on a prehistoric scale. If we can bring back a predator that's been dead for 10,000 years, what's stopping us from going back 65 million years? Could we bring back a dinosaur? That's where things get complicated. Unlike the frozen DNA of Ice Age mammals, dinosaur DNA is far more degraded. Bones can fossilize, but DNA doesn't last that long. Most estimates say DNA breaks down completely after about 1.5 million years, even under ideal conditions. So, no. We haven't found a frozen T-Rex embryo, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. Scientists are now working on genetic back engineering, editing the genomes of modern animals, like chickens, to devolve them toward their ancient dinosaur ancestors. It's called reverse evolution, and it's real. Chickens are dinosaurs, or at least their distant descendants. By switching certain genes on or off, researchers have already grown chickens with dinosaur-like tails, teeth, and snouts. In lab experiments, combine this with CRISPR gene editing, and suddenly, the idea of rebuilding a dinosaur or something very close to one doesn't seem so far-fetched. But let's ask the real question. Should we do it? Bringing back a giant wolf is one thing. It fits into ecosystems we still understand. But reviving a or a raptor, that's unleashing a creature evolved for a world that no longer exists. The plants, the prey, even the air composition of the Cretaceous period, all gone. A dinosaur wouldn't just be out of place. It might be unstable, aggressive, or suffer biologically in our modern world. And then there's the ethical debate. Is it right to bring back an extinct animal simply because we can? Who decides which species get a second chance? And which ones stay dead? For now, the giant white wolf is being studied in a secure facility. It's a proof of concept, but more are on the way. Mammoths, cave lions, even each resurrection pushes the limits further. So the next time you see news about de-extinction, remember, it's not just about the past, it's about the future we're building. And maybe, just maybe, one day, you'll look out your window and see something with scales, claws, and a roar that echoes from 65 million years ago. Would you be amazed or terrified? Let us know in the comments. Would you support resurrecting dinosaurs, or do you think some species should stay extinct? Subscribe for more incredible science stories, creature breakdowns, and future-shaping technology. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because the line between science fiction and science fact is getting thinner every day.